pull down. Let's go like that. Hold it. Okay. Okay, the switch sides. Grab the elbow and then pull. Make sure you're just kind of rotating around. Alright. As that heart rate starts dropping after an epic workout. Okay. Alright. So you're holding on to that elbow, you're pulling across. Okay, and then we're switching sides. Getting that one behind the head and then feels so good on that shoulder. Okay, so 30 seconds and then we'll switch to another one, another stretch. Okay, right, arms at the back, open that shoulder, 30 seconds. So you're opening up that shoulder, okay? And then find a wall, then you're stretching that shoulder. Push against the wall and then twist your torso. And you can feel the pulling, the stretching on this arm. Then we're switching. 30 seconds, hold and be pulling. You can shift your weight until you can feel the stretch on there. Well done you for showing up for yourself. So find a wall and then you press against it. Okay. 30 seconds. Okay, and then switching sides. Right, so hold on to that. This is so good for those of us who type a lot, use our hands a lot. It gives the hand a very good stretch, and at the same time I can feel the stretch through the arm all the way into the elbow and to the shoulder as well. So this is a very good stretch for those of us who type a lot or who use their hands a lot, doing a lot of sewing, craft. Switch sides and then we do the same. That feels so good. So 30 seconds of this, so we're down to 8 to go. Right, well done for showing up for yourself, and thank you for joining me today. So I'll meet you on another workout. I hope you found this very helpful, and you're free to use this with either some music that you like. Once you get familiar with the workout, you can put on some music and just go for it. So I'll catch you on another video. Take care.